ready for this? A color changing car. Ooh, so what? This is CES 2022. I'm Nikki Sun. Let's go. We're in the Vegas loop. I'm getting a scan of my foot on a phone
It's already
right now.
done. This is your foot.
That's my foot.
Put it on, that's yours.
That's oh, thank you.
So if you've never been to CES, it is a beast. It is ridiculous to navigate. There's multiple halls in different locations. But I would say just be a sponge, absorb everything, go to every booth, big and small, because companies like GoPro, companies like DJI, they got their start here where they were literally like a table like these. And so innovation can happen anywhere, and maybe 3 or 5 years down the line, something you see here actually becomes something you use at home. So, you never know where it's gonna come from, and that's what makes CES exciting.
This is my second CES, so I'm still in that like new CES mode of like just everything is new and shiny. They definitely focused a lot more on AI, which I appreciate, because AI is going to be a driver for a lot of new developments when it comes to like autonomous driving and things of that nature. And of course, this whole like metaverse that is the new trend, the new hot topic, and I think it's kind of ideal in this time of social distancing, where we're finding new ways to communicate with each other and like really collaborate. So I think that's going to be interesting. This is the baby stages, and CES is really showing what's possible with that.
I think that it's very easy for people to understand more so how to invest in a digital art or something that has unique value, as opposed to a cryptocurrency that can be very volatile. So I think that it has helped people get on board cryptocurrency in a faster way in that regard, and that's why we knew that the time is right. The time is now to launch these companies that know what they're doing, that have something really unique to offer, and that has longevity in this space.
So we're basically bridging the gap between what's been known as mainstream and adult, and that's how we are similar to like an OnlyFans or a Patreon, because we believe that everybody should have equal access to the blockchain and to the technologies that are on it. And so in giving that equitable access, that's what we're doing with all of our performers. And then we're not just focused on one segment or another of the industries.
It's the opening night of CES 2022, and what better way to kick it off than with one of the most spectacular technology demonstrations on the Las Vegas Strip. I'm talking about a drone race presented by the Drone Racing League and T-Mobile. What technology has allowed drone racing to happen, and what technology are you excited about?
Technology, especially from CES, has been able to push drones and drone racing so far. We're getting these new digital video transmission systems that we've never had before. Currently, in the past, we've flown via an analog system, which is much lower quality. But now we're getting these digital systems that are actually present at CES right now that we hope to be able to put on our drones very soon, meaning that we can have higher quality, more range, less multipathing, and it's super exciting what CES is doing to push technology that will be able to be used on drones.
We're CRAR, and we're building the best performance AR glasses. It's have 150-degree field of view, which is 9 times of field of view of existing AR glasses like Microsoft HoloLens or Magic Leap. So it's 8K resolution, it's the highest resolution AR glass on the market, and it's 95% transparency. It's 4 times transparency of Microsoft HoloLens. So you are able to make eye contacts, read text clear, and see your whole car in one shot without zooming in and out.
I was completely blown away. I just haven't seen any other product be able to compete at that level.
I've always said if I could have any superpower in the world, it would be to speak every single language. So it's a really great power. I think communication nowadays, especially to bridge cultural gaps, is so important. So that's why I was so fascinated by what you're putting out.
So we have Ambassador. This is an earpiece that goes over your ear. And what it does is that it records your voice, and it then translates, and other person can hear the translation directly on their ears. So you can have a conversation in multiple languages, and you can connect many of these. Like you can connect 4, have a meeting, everybody could be speaking a different language, and you can still understand each other. So the intention of this product is that you can speak as if you knew the language. So let's say you have a normal conversation with your friend.
所以呢個產品嘅意圖話，你可以設置語言感覺嘅，所以俾我哋當你同你嘅朋友有一次正常嘅呢個對話你。
Personally, I understood soy, so that means like so that was great.
This is the new Volant Glow, so it's an all-in-one for those YouTubers. It allows people also not just to do hair and makeup tutorials, but any kind of tutorial where you would use your hands.
Alexa, ask Moen to give me 1 cup of water at 100 degrees.
When the light is solid, wave over sensor to dispense 1 cup now.
And then you wave over.
Alright, here we go. 3, 2, 1.
You get exactly 1 cup of water, and you can feel it. It's at about 100 degrees.
Checking out the future of in-vehicle augmented reality, and my girl Gina is getting a first-hand experience right now.
So it's going to use the front and back facing cameras at the same time.
At the same time? What? This right here is a projector, not a TV screen. This is a projector, and it's projecting 4K image. It's stunning color.
There's a built-in speaker, and you can mirror your Samsung television, bring that action from the sports that's happening there into the kitchen while you're getting the appetizers available.
This is the ultimate gamer's display.
So over the last few years, Samsung has made updates to its packaging. We've gotten rid of all of our colors off our packaging. We've gotten rid of the stickers, and we've also removed all of the staples from our packaging. What this does is it makes this 100% recyclable now. You can turn any one of our boxes into a work of art that you see right here. Just trying to spread the word, to go green, to upcycle, to use your product. Don't just throw the packaging out, use it, make a use, and then recycle it.
The Samsung booth has stolen our hearts.
100%, there's no doubt about that.
Favorite booth of the show?
100%, because it was just so futuristic and it made you think about the future. That was the best part.
What do you think of the booth, Mylan?
Oh, super cool. I am an iPhone user, but I don't know. Do I need to switch over?
She may need to switch over. That's how cool this booth was. Thanks, ladies.
Welcome to CES 2022. Feels very nice.